All right, you're using a ceramic tile design in your new bathroom, and the tiles, each of those 6 tiles you see, are equilateral triangles. We know something about equilateral triangles is that they have um, 60, 60, 60 for their angles. They're equilateral, they're also equiangular, so we just got that, right? Okay, and it says, okay, you arrange the tiles as shown. If the side of each tile is 4 centimeters, 4 by 4 by 4, so this side is 4, then what will be the exact area of the hexagonal shape? So what we need to do is we need to, in order to do this, we need to know what the apothem length is. And if we drop an apothem down there, getting a right angle, we've split this top angle up now into, that's now 30 right there, okay? And taking the rest of this away for a second, we've got a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And since we cut this bottom half here, we've only got half of what the bottom half is here. Then that's actually, it was 4, we cut it in half. Now it's 2. Okay, and what do we know about the 30, 60, 90 right triangles? Well, if the short leg is 2, then the longer leg is 2 root 3. So now we have an apothem length of 2 root 3. And we then just need to use the formula for um, the area of a polygon, which is 1/2 the apothem length times the perimeter. Okay, we know the apothem length, we just figured it out, is 2 root 3. And we know the perimeter, if one side is 4 and there are 6 sides, that's 24. Okay, doing the calculations, let's do this in our head. What's 1/2 of 2 root 3? That's just root 3. And that times 24. And you get, as a result, 24 square root of 3. And it was centimeters, so centimeters squared. That is the area. And do we have that as an answer? Yeah, we have that for D right there.